What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to SPX Weekly. I will be analyzing the index S&P 500, and today is 5th January 2025, local time 2:48 p.m. This is the Eastern time. So if you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. Let's start the analysis really quick. Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. Okay, and people who are listening to me for the very first time, I am a price action trader. I do not trade indicators. These indicators and whatever is here, these are all add-ons. I do not trade them. These are just add-ons. I trade price, I understand price, and then trade price. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining you what my take is, what I feel about the markets. So let's start the analysis. So if I go on half yearly, I'll try to keep the video as the analysis as short as possible. So you see there is a demand zone right here. Okay, this is a demand zone right here. So let me the drawings that would pop up on the screen might confuse you. Okay, so I'm gonna break everything down. Okay, so here, watch these green lines right here, these ones. Okay, these green lines right here, it says half yearly, half yearly. I'm gonna hide it again. I'm talking about these. There were two horizontal green lines here. Okay, let's go down. I do not see any structure which looks powerful other than this. So this green, red, and green. Okay, I've marked it right here. Quarterly demand zone. Perfect. Okay. Now what you will see is that this quarterly demand zone is actually coinciding, is right in the middle of half yearly demand zone. Okay. Anyways, let's go further down on monthly, and then you will see. Firstly, let me hide. So I do not see anything here. There's an imbalance right here, and there's a demand zone right here, and one here. The whole point here is imbalance here, demand zone here. That does not mean that price is going to fall right here. No. Understand, this is the beauty of price action. Price can form new data, and then we can trade from there. And we do have trades here. I'll show it to you. Okay. Now, this is a super duper poor structure. So if price falls inside, then the point is, then it's going to be a big problem. Okay, I'm just taking this red candle, and after that this rally candle. Okay, I'm just going to mark these. Okay, that's it. This is a very, if I start marking this zone, it's going to be a very big zone, and it makes no sense. Understand the price action. What candles? These are monthly candles. So what they're trying to tell you is, see, it was going up, then selling came in. Okay, then let's jump onto this candle. This candle opened, and then it was down. It was red till here, but then buying pressure came in. Okay, and pushed the candle up. Slowly these are going up, but understand, these candles are telling you only one thing, that buyers and sellers are fighting. Okay, even look at this red candle. It opened here, it came down, must have gone up, and then finally closed here. Still they are fighting. While going on the top, they're still fighting. But suddenly, in the month of November, you do see a rally. Okay, so the imbalance is sitting somewhere here, not in the whole zone. Understand? Otherwise, if they started fighting here, okay, look at this. It was a red candle, but it was turned into green. Then why couldn't the next candle made a, could not make a rally candle? Why? Because they're still confused here. Okay, but this shows an imbalance. It's a very poor structure. This one is, again, I'm showing you there's an imbalance. This is a proper structure. But now understand, when I'll turn on the drawings, you remember these two green lines, half yearly and half yearly. So inside this half yearly, there is one quarterly which was right here, and now we have switched down to monthly time frame. Another one is coinciding right at the bottom. This is the origin. Very powerful. I'm not saying price is going to come there. I'm just trying to explain you. You need to, a trader need to prepare themselves actually for the worst case scenario. I'm not saying it's going to fall, but understand, this right here is the origin of this rally. Okay, so price comes down here, goes up, comes down, and understand, we are on monthly candles, then it rallies up. So this is the origin. Okay, it will be always this level will always be super powerful. Okay, now understand, this demand zone is actually coinciding with this green line, which is half yearly. Okay, and other than that, we have nothing of quality. You will never ever see a free fall. Understand that, because a lot of people they are trading. Even I'm trading, right? Everybody's trading. That's why we are discussing this. So price do not take a free fall. Understand this candle, though it looks like a very simple candle right here on this time frame, but understand what would have happened on daily. Okay, so understand the journey of the candle, because this is monthly candle. Okay, price will never take a free fall. It will always go zigzag and then come down or go up. We do not want a free fall. That's selling pressure. We don't want that. Okay, now if I go on weekly, see, there is a level right here, an imbalance here. So understand the price action now. I actually explained you these candles. So I've just marked this imbalance here as monthly. Okay, simple, very poor level. I've just marked it. And then inside that monthly, you do see a bunch of pending orders right here in these two candles. Okay, I've got an alert here as well. I'm not trading this. I know that very well because the trend is changing clearly. Okay, but I'm just understanding what's happening in the market. Now, very poor level. Now, why is it reacting? The whole, if we go on daily, now understand the journey. See, oh my bad. Let's go on monthly. So this looks like a normal candle to you, right? Understand how many people would have lost money here. Are you getting it? A lot of people, because it started from here, right? You need to understand that. So whatever you're looking at higher time frame, it's not a simple candle. If you're looking, if you're looking at a monthly candle and you see this was a simple rally candle, understand the emotions here. It was not a simple rally candle. It took turns here. Okay, understand, a monthly candle is actually made out of, this candle is made out of 20 to 22 daily candles. Okay, you need to understand that. So now let's go back on weekly, and we do see an imbalance here, clear cut imbalance here. And when I go on daily, I have been discussing this level for quite a while now. Okay, now the only problem, whenever I try to pick a trade, I try to pick faults in a trade. That's how I select my stocks or instruments. The whole point here is trend is down, poor level. I don't like it. Even if it works, I won't be trading it. But I have got alerts here. So now, what is the probability of this level working out? It might work, it might not work. I'm not confident, I'm not sure about it. So I would rather observe it. But now, how can I play this? Okay, the next question comes is, will you miss the rally? I'm not, this is not a proper level. Anyways, the trend, I'm trying to pick the faults here. The trend would be down by the time, understand, the anticipated trend would be down here once price will come here. Okay, now, why and how can this level, how can we make this level work? It will only work if other indexes like NDX, DJI, and sectors come together. Now, whatever you have seen in SPX 500, exactly same picture you will see in NDX, NASDAQ. Okay, quickly I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to hide the drawings. Okay, let's start from yearly. Nothing on yearly. Same demand zone on half yearly. Okay, and I've marked it with green. Same demand zone on quarterly, and this demand zone of quarterly time frame is coinciding inside, look here, it's coinciding inside half yearly demand zone, exactly like SPX 500. Okay, let's go down further on monthly time frame. Okay, exactly same data. But now in this one, see, if I go here on monthly, you would see that I have marked this demand zone as wick to wick. It's fine, I don't really care. But the thing is, this is fresh, and if you look here, this is used makes no sense for me. Okay, so that's why I haven't marked it. But it is coinciding with half yearly, so you might see the support once price falls here in the future. You might see a support here. But the thing is, exactly same data, exactly same. Now you will see that this is what I've marked here, and exactly that's what I was explaining you here when I was trying to break these candles down. Exactly same on SPX, exactly same on NDX. Now, exact same levels here, exact same levels here on NASDAQ. So how will this level work? So for SPY and SPX 500, S&P 500, they make exactly same candles. Go and check it out. Now the whole point here is this level on SPY is like 570. It's 573, 57.23, whatever here. It's exactly same on SPY. Okay. Now, how will this level work? This can only work if price comes here in this level, and NDX also, and price visits NDX also in this level at the same time. So basically, NDX and SPY will support, NDX and SPX will support each other. Okay, and then you will see a proper rally. Otherwise, if SPX comes here before and NDX doesn't, you might see a spike for a day or two and then it will consolidate. I'm talking about if SPX comes here first, and vice versa for NDX. If NDX comes here first and SPX doesn't, it might break, it might hold. But when both of them will come together, you will see a proper rally. Chances are. Okay. Now, if you will go and see DJI, why price is reacting, DJI has approached this level. Okay. Remember, see this structure? See this structure. So price is way far away if you look at SPX and way far away if you look at NDX. But in DJI, price has approached this level. Look here. It has approached this level clearly. Okay, this is how demand and supply works simply. Okay, and now the whole point here is uh, look here. Now you can see a clear picture. Okay, it has approached it, and look here. Look here. This is a demand zone here on weekly. So this time Nasdaq and DJI are working together. This is Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq, right? And if I mark it here like this, you will see. And if I mark it on daily, you will see clearly it's here, right here, this red candle. So price, see price never reached here on December 20th, but on December 20th, price was hitting the weekly demand zone here. It is not complicated, it is very very easy, but the whole point here is you need to understand this time. Still you might see a pullback or something, because price can come here in DJI and then it can go up. So the whole point here is when both of them will come together in their respective zones, price will work. Otherwise you will see a small pullback and then boom, down again. As far as this level is concerned, I have collected the data, and I'm telling you the trend is down, and by the time it's going to reach here, trend would be super down on daily time frame. I'm not talking about weekly. So I do not trade this is not a level where I can, this is not a level which is uh, which actually is permitting me to go against the trend, let's put it like that. So I'm not confident on this level at all. I'm talking about this guy. Even if it works, it works, but I'm telling you, right, that be very very careful, because if it falls, I've discussed all the levels. Okay, very very important. We need to understand that price can go up and then come down. So I'm not trading, I'm just observing, and be very very careful. Again and again I'm telling you, I am not talking about any news or anything. I'm not a person who trades news. But the whole point here is, if it goes up, you will see new levels, we can trade that. But if it comes down, most of you will get stuck. Simple as that. Now, as far as the batch is concerned for price action, I'm not taking it this January as well. I'm traveling, so I'm not. But if you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to text me, leave a comment, and I will get back to you. All right. Trade safe, trade wisely, and try to trade independently. Do not rely on anybody, not even me. You have this data right in front of you. Okay. You have this data right in front of you. So you need to understand this. So now I will show you, hopefully in the next video, I will show you that RSI is, price action is done, right? RSI is also losing a lot of momentum here. Okay. So don't forget to follow me here, and we'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.